Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today, we are going to talk about proper nouns. Let's get started. Now, a noun is a word used to identify people, places, or things. These kinds of nouns are called common nouns, or a noun is a word used to name a particular one of these. And those kinds of nouns are called proper nouns. For example, in the sentence, we have you can buy coffee at Starbucks. Now, the word Starbucks is a proper noun because it is a word used to name a particular place. Starbucks. And on the other hand, the word coffee is a common noun because it is a word used to identify a thing. Now, a proper noun is a noun that refers to a unique thing, such as names, names of cities, planets, corporations, etc. But a common noun usually refers to a class of things. For example, London is the capital of Great Britain. London, name of a city. Great Britain, name of a country. Also note that proper nouns are unique names, and so they are capitalized. So for example, here we have Olivia wants to travel around Europe next year. The word Olivia is a unique name, so it's capitalized. The same with the word Europe. We should also capitalize proper nouns that are names of festivals. For example, Christmas and Thanksgiving are my two favorite holidays. Now, the proper nouns Christmas and Thanksgiving are names of festivals, and so they should be capitalized. We should also capitalize the name of a person's title. For example, everything depends on President Trump and his decision. The proper noun president is the title of Trump, and so it should be capitalized. Also, we should capitalize the names of books, films, plays, and paintings. We use capital letters for the nouns, adjectives, and verbs in the titles. For example, I've just finished reading The Old Man and the Sea. The Old Man and the Sea is the title of the book I've just finished reading. Now, sometimes we use a person's name to refer to something they have created. For example, we were listening to Mozart the other day. I'm reading an Irish Murdoch now. Now, when you use a word about a family member, for example, mom, dad, uncle, capitalize it only if the word is being used exactly as you would use a name. In other words, if you were addressing the person directly. If the word is not being used as a name, it's not capitalized. Now, for example, in this sentence we have, please ask Dad if he can buy wine on his way home. The word dad is used to address the person directly, so it's capitalized. And in this sentence, is your dad coming over for dinner? The word dad is not capitalized because it's not being used as a name. Now, whenever you see a capitalized word, question whether or not it is a proper noun. Make sure that the capitalized word is in fact a noun, as there are also proper adjectives. For example, in this sentence, we have Asia is one of the continents of the world. The word Asia is the name of the continent, so it's a proper noun. And in this sentence, we have I don't really like Asian food. The word Asian is a proper adjective. It is a word used to describe the noun food.